Given that f of x minus 10 is equal to x squared minus 8x plus 5, find f of x and evaluate f of negative 5. Take solution. There are two ways of answering this problem, and I'm going to propose all the two ways. First, method 1. We are going to start by saying let what we have in the bracket here, which is x minus 10, to be equal to any unknown of our choice. We can make use of a. This will imply that if we make x the surrogate formula, x will simply be equal to a plus 10. Now if we take the function, we have f of x minus 10. We are going to replace x with a plus 10. This will give us f of a plus 10 minus 10, and this will be equal to f of a plus 10 minus 10 gives us f of a, which is simply equal to, it simply means in the function f of x minus 10, which is equal to x squared minus 8x plus 5, anywhere we see x, we are going to replace x with a plus 10. So this will be equal to a plus 10 squared minus 8 times a plus 10 plus 5. This will be equal to, we have to expand, a plus 10 squared will give us a squared plus 2 times a times 10 gives us 20a plus 10 squared, which is 100. We have to expand this. Negative 8 times a gives us negative 8a. Negative 8 times 10 gives us negative 80 plus 5. This will simply be equal to a squared. 20a minus 8a gives us 12a. 100 minus 80 gives us 20 plus 5 gives us 25. This will give us f of a to be equal to a squared plus 12a plus 25. We are looking for the function f of x. For us to get f of x, we are simply going to replace a, the unknown a, with x. Replacing a with x, we have f of x to be equal to, anyway I see a, I'll replace a with x. It gives us x squared plus 12x plus 25. So this is the function f of x. Now we can find f of negative 5. f of negative 5 will simply be equal to negative 5 squared plus 12 times negative 5 plus 25. And this will be equal to negative 5 squared gives us 25 plus 12 times negative 5 gives us negative 60 plus 25. This will be equal to 25 plus this 25 gives us 50. 50 plus negative 60 is the same as 50 minus 60, which gives us negative 10. Therefore, f of negative 5 will be equal to negative 10 for f of x equal to x squared plus 12x plus 25. Now let's look at the second method of answering this question. We take method 2. Okay, for method 2, we have to find f of x. Here we have been given f of x minus 10. If we take x minus 10 plus 10, this will give us x. It simply means we take f of x minus 10, we add 10, this will be equal to f of x as such. Now if we take x minus 10 plus 10, we can express this as x plus 10 minus 10, which can be written in this form: x plus 10 minus 10, like this. If we take f of x, it will be equal to f of x plus 10 minus 10. F of x plus 10 minus 10 is in this form. It simply means when we find x in this function at the right hand side, we are going to replace that x with x plus 10. Then we simplify. This will give us f of x to be equal to, we are going to replace x with x plus 10. This will give us x plus 10 squared minus 8 times x plus 10 plus 5, of which this will be equal to x plus 10 squared gives us x squared plus 2 times x times 10, 20x plus 10 squared, which is 100, minus 8x minus 80 plus 5. This will be equal to x squared. 20x minus 8x gives us plus 12x. 100 minus 80 gives us 20 plus 5 plus 25. This is our f of x, which is x squared plus 12x plus 25. You will see the result is the same with what we had above. Now we have to find f of negative 5. We are going to find f of negative 5 by making use of this function. It is very easy. F of negative 5 is simply the same as f of, there is a certain number such that when we replace x with that number here, when we simplify, it gives us negative 5. 5 minus 10 gives us negative 5. That means f of negative 5 is the same as f of 5 minus 10. And this will be equal to, it simply means in this our function, anywhere we see x, we have to replace x with 5. This will give us 5 squared minus 8 times 5 plus 5. This will give us f of negative 5 to be equal to 5 squared is 25 minus 8 times 5 gives us 40 plus 5, and this will be equal to 25 minus 40 gives us negative 15. Negative 15 plus 5 gives us negative 10. You'll see the results are the same. These are the two methods of answering this question. If in case you have any worries, feel free to drop your questions at the comment section. Please like the video, share, and subscribe to this channel. Thank you very much for watching.